guys, welcome to another video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's jump right into this video. So today I'm going to show you how I make my lip mask, but first we're going to go ahead and exfoliate our lips. So I'm going to use some lemon, honey, and sugar. So I'm using one whole lemon and I'm squeezing half into my bowl. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well. Use the other half of the lemon to absorb the honey mixture, and then we're going to add our sugar and we're going to exfoliate our lips. Gently scrub your lips for 2 to 3 minutes. This will remove dead and dry cells and make your lips smooth and soft. Honey helps to moisturize your lips and lemon helps in lightening lip color. Moving on to step 2. Take 1 beetroot and cut into pieces and blend. Using my strainer and a glass bowl, I'll be extracting the juice from the beetroot. Add 1 tablespoon of glycerine and mix well. Use a cotton pad to apply mixture on your lips for overnight. But for the purpose of this video, I only let it sit on my lips for about an hour. But if you're at home and you have the time, you can let it sit on your lips for overnight. The beetroot and the glycerine mixture will leave your lips feeling moisturized and give it a natural red color. Repeat this mixture on your lips for 7 days. You will see amazing results. After using these ingredients, you will never use any lipstick again if you don't want to. Here is the end results, you guys. My lips are feeling so soft and moisturized, and now I have red sexy lips. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, or if you would like to see other videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.